On in there, you alright?
Yeah, you okay?
Just got my camera on. I was just looking at a bike earlier. It's like
the old 11R, the old elliptic goes.
Yeah, that looks like it's gonna be a long day. How fast do these go? How fast can you go on these?
Gravity assisted. I think we were clipping along about 13 miles an hour.
Yeah.
That might be a bit keen.
It would be. I think if we get in around
between 11 and 13. Yeah.
For joining me once again. This week I'm taking part in another slice of Rutland. It's a 200km audax in Leicestershire and the county of Rutland. Turned out to be a glorious start to an April morning. A little bit chilly as expected, but taking a few layers off later on because it's going to be a warm day, I think. Fingers crossed. So before I tell you about today's ride, just want to reflect back on the week which has just gone. April has reminded us that it's still that time of year where you can get wintry weather, and it's a bit cold, a bit miserable, it's been quite windy. And despite April being the month where I'm supposed to be doing my 2,000km challenge, this is only the second day that I've been out this week, so next week hoping for better weather and make up some time. Okay, so what can I tell you about this audax? First stop of the day will be in Botsford, which is about 18k from where I am now. I started out a little bit too fast, trying to keep on the heels of other riders, and I've had to drop back my speed a little bit. I can also tell you in this ride, it's about 1,800 metres of climbing, which is quite a sizable amount. I don't think there's any really big monster hills or anything like that. It's just lots of hills. I can also tell you I've just seen the sign for Beaver Castle, so I don't know how close to get to it. Lots of rolling countryside this morning. Well, whilst everybody else is whizzing around, stop for a view. Right. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there it is up on the hill. Past this time sort of last year, and I took part in the do not forget your dividend card. Well, past the first control point of the day in Botsford. Didn't bother taking any video because it's quite an uninspiring location. Good old co-op. So seems to be heading back around the other side of Beaver Castle. So I don't know if you can see in the distance there. I'll probably zoom in if I can, give you a bit more of a close-up. Up to now though, I've been feeling a little bit weak. Maybe that's the wrong word, but a little bit lacking in energy. So find my mojo. I certainly changed my diet since I was doing the vegan January challenge back at the top of the year. A few more things I started eating a lot more lentils and beans and corn, lots of vegetarian dishes as well, so health has definitely improved, or rather my overall diet has definitely improved. Hopefully, rather not hopefully, definitely, now the weather's turning, I need to be getting out more during this month in order to A, complete my challenge, and B, ready for the two big rides. in Wales in May, which is, well, the first ride is the 400, the Brevet Cymru, and it's less than 3 weeks away now, well, about 3.5 weeks away, so I need to be in top condition for that. Well, as you can see, arms are out, it's got a little bit warmer, so arm warmers are off, gilets off. Might end up putting the gilet back on again, it's a little bit cold, but see how it goes. Funnily enough, the sun's gone back in again. Top up the tan. Going back into the wind again at the moment. Which is never fun, is it? Never fun at all. Well, I've just arrived at Rutland water. It's probably the closest I'm going to get to it, so I thought I'd better stop and get a photo. Right, so next stop is Edith Weston. It's less than a mile away, so I'm going to go there, have some proper dinner now. God, my arms are freezing. Gotta get warmed up again. Ooh. So since I left the last control point, it's been nothing but uphill. A couple lumpy ones in there, mostly rolling, and it's going to be the same for the next, I don't know, maybe 30k. Bit of guesswork looking at my elevation on Wahoo before dropping down again for a short while before going back up once more. It's very up and down this ride, very up and down route. So yeah, plenty of climbing to keep you warm. I'm just coming up through Lund. There's a bit of a hill up here, I can remember it from a previous audax. It's coming up soon. Yeah, it's a big hill coming up. Got a tree there all by itself, flooded. See that hill? That's where I'm going up. It's about 20%, I think, at least. So I'm gonna have fun going up that. Look at that hill over there. That is a beast. It wasn't a long hill, but that's 30%. Jesus Christ. Whew. Stop recording. Well, hello folks, it's Monday evening. In 7 months of running the channel, the first time ever I left to go out on my bike without a spare battery. It's that simple. So this coming weekend I'm out on the Sunday morning and afternoon. I'm taking part in the Paul Kirk Sportief, which starts in Brig, so really looking forward to that. As for Saturday, I'm taking a day off from long distance cycling, so I might just go to a cafe. Also, I've had a few requests to make a video all about my bike, what bike do I ride, what sort of gear do I have. So I'm going to spend a couple hours putting a video together for you guys. All about that as well. That's it, I'm wrapping up the video now. As always, I do hope you've enjoyed watching the video today, and if you really like it, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, there's lots of content coming up over the next few months, so stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good week.